In front of me is DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app that's already on your device. This one. After you find it, click on it. And before doing anything, use this gear at the top right corner to adjust all of those options. Voice quality, recording mode, and this one, which is rename after recording. When you're finished with all of those, go back and use red button at the bottom left corner to start recording. Make sure to tap on Allow in the pop-up if you never used Recorder before. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this button at the bottom left corner. To end it and save it though, click on checkmark on the right. Then name it however you want to and hit save. Now, to access your recording when a recorder is off, click on this button at the bottom right corner. Now to play it, click on it. And to manage it, hold it on the list. Then you can tap on this button to share it. Those three dots at the top right corner to rename it. Or this selected. And this bin to get rid of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!